So I thought about making a flashy introduction video, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to tell you straight and direct. I've been trying to make money online for years, for 7 years, and I have been successful, but this is the easiest way that I found that exists today for anyone with no experience at all in making money online, in even attempting to make money online. This is the easiest way. All you have to do is review products that are on Amazon.com specifically, and what will happen is you will tag the product and the product will go onto that Amazon's product listing. When somebody watches the video and then buys it or buys anything else within 24 hours, you get a commission. We're talking about Amazon.com. I've already made this much in my first 30 days. I've never joined an affiliate system program and made this much in just 30 days. Over $1,000. That's rent, and this is the first month of the year. So without a doubt, this course is going to help you learn how to make that sort of money in just 30 days, quickly, fast, how to get approved. Lots of people don't get approved. I know why. And the best thing about this is that it's passive income, truly passive income. Passive income has become a buzzword in the online money making space, but this is truly passive income. Once you've uploaded your video, which is a little bit of activeness, a little bit of work, your video is there on Amazon for years, forever. That's it. Passive income, commissions coming in every day, daily. Truly passive income. You don't have to touch anything once you put that one 60-second, 30-second video on the Amazon platform. I'm going to show you the best tools to use to also maximize your efficiency, which is incredibly important. You don't want to waste time doing things that simply will not work. There's nothing easier than this today. You don't have to pay any advertisement. You don't have to entice people across the world. You don't have to do anything. You just have to review a product and then upload it. And the upload process is as simple as drag and drop, and then just write the title and tag the product. That's all you have to do. There's nothing easier. The normal affiliate process is to build up an email list and then warm up your email list and keep sending them emails and get an autoresponder and link your autoresponder to a product and then promote other products. And this stuff is so time consuming, and although that works, it's very difficult. If it wasn't difficult, everybody would be a successful affiliate marketer. Simple as that. However, with this, everybody can be successful, but if you know the right direct path into making this work for you by cutting out the BS, cutting out that which does not work. I've already showed you my proof. I'm going to show you in the course. I'm going to show you the best tactics, the best strategies, what not to do, how to talk. You need to know how to talk on camera as well when you're making these videos. And yeah, I'm just so excited for you because I've never made this money so quickly. And I'm sharing this knowledge with you, and I'm giving you everything that I know. And I'm going to keep updating the course. As I earn more money, as I learn more things, I'm going to keep updating the course. That's one of the great things about this course, is it won't end. It's going to get better and better, and we're going to build a community, and we're just going to kill it. So this is for you, to help you make the extra 4 figures a month and more. I'm going to show you that someone even made 6 figures with this. I'm going to show you in this course. So without further ado, enroll. I'll see you on the inside.